Today's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, you're going to ride the elevator here at a place called the Rotunda in downtown Waukesha, Wisconsin. And I can kind of see why they chose the name, because if you look in there, you have this big room that is literally in the shape of a rotunda. And that's any building that's circular in shape. You can see that very clearly. Without further ado, let's take a ride in their elevator. It's an Otis Series 1. And here it is. Let's go down one level. Here at the lower level. Let's go to 2. Here at 2. Which is labeled U. Outside, it looks like. So let's go down the lower level. Looks like someone called the elevator down. Anyway, just get your cat view. That looks very elegant. Both the front and the rear. Let's go back up to the entrance and end there.
Hello?
Hey?
Hi. Can I help you?
So basically, I have this hobby where I make these videos of elevators where I point stuff out about it, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Did you ask us to do this?
No, I was just checking out the elevator.
Okay.
That's
You got what you needed?
Yeah, for the most part.
Okay, awesome. Well, I'm
All right.
locking up. Thank you for stopping by.
Sure, no problem. I can kind of see why this place is called the Rotunda.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Okay. I don't know if that really counts as being busted, but at least I got a decent video of their elevator. I'm gonna bet it was probably added in for ADA compliance as well, given that the shaft is actually right there. So yeah. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that'll be it.